Thank you and good night.
Good night.
Thank you and good night.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Welcome traders. Welcome to another live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Very important day as CPI coming later today. Expecting significant movement in the market, including all the instrument that we are trading. XAUUSD currently in a downtrend as we expected. It's breaking below. We will see the news is coming in a couple of hours. So 1 minute chart, we can see that there was a breakout here in this lower time frame. I think we might see some movement here in this market. I'll be doing a full analysis. Before we go to the full analysis, let's see what's happening from the 30 minutes, from 5 minutes chart. There is a rejection here and might find potential entry. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity you might get here. So if we look at the lower time frame, 1 minute chart, I have just started the day. What you can see in this area, there is a false breakout here. With that false breakout, this is the 1 minute chart on XAUUSD. Okay, looking at the 15 minute chart. This is a very strongly falling market. So any upside will be an opportunity for us to sell this market because it's a bearish market. And I was looking at all the time for potential selling opportunity in this market. So going to the 1 minute chart, this is important swing low here. Very impressive price action at the moment. British pound US dollar had a short time bounce, which is also potential for further downside. On XAUUSD, it's trying to break. So let's draw those levels here on those instruments to see where we can find our next opportunity in the market. And looking at the lower time frame, so in this lower time frame, we can see that the market, this is where a structure formation. This is a typically downtrending market, as there will be CPI coming later today. We could see that very good move in this instrument as well. So from the 1 hour perspective, if we draw a level here, we can see that also This is an important level. Now, yeah, I would like to see one more rejection here to the upside to retest any of this level. Then we can look for a potential selling opportunity on XAUUSD. If you're enjoying the live session, make sure guys you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. We see a little sideways movement in this lower time frame, and in all of them we see a little sideways movement on XAUUSD as well. So I'll leave it on the 1 minute to see. It forms a structure here. If you look at a pretty consolidation, a strong consolidation here. And with that consolidation, expecting on XAUUSD to drop in that direction to create a new lower low. And yeah, I see that you guys present here. Thank you very much for joining the live session. B, welcome. Hi everyone. Yummy, welcome. Good afternoon. Greetings from Muscat. Welcome. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Usdjpy. Thank you very much. Okay. So now, if you guys are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate if you smash the like button to 50, same as the view, and that also help the channel to grow. And also, it will help that to stay full motivated to create more content and to find the best trade possible in the market for all of you. So much appreciated your support, and stick till the end. Like every day, we are taking few members in the academy, in the VIP community. One lucky winner will get access to $500 coupon to join the academy. So one of you from this competition, at the end of the live session, there will be a giveaway. So make sure you stick till the end to enter into that competition, along with learning in this live session also will be helpful to you. Now, here we can see that after forming this pattern, it's breaking below. So you were expecting that drop, which we see eventually coming in that direction. There is a CPI coming, and we have to be a little patient, and patience is key, guys. Sometimes we need to miss some trade. That's why Jesse Livermore once said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. It's a metaphor for becoming patient as a trader. So when you are trading the market, the most important quality of a trader is to become patient. Okay, so let the opportunity come to you before you give your hand. So that's why they said that wait for the market to show its hand so that you can trade based on that. Okay, so you see there's some horse running around. Okay, so here it's as CPI coming. I would like to post a poll here. What's your view on CPI? So in terms of XAUUSD, what's your view on CPI? Share your thought and opinion. What's your view on CPI? Good afternoon. Greetings from Elliot, South Africa. Welcome. Greetings from Nigeria. CPI gold will buy. I am Lana. Don't follow me. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. Okay, we see that there is a rejection again. So it's basically signaling potential drop. CPI gold will buy, and I am Lana. Don't follow me. Okay. Hi everyone. I was trading with the Forex wizard. Welcome. Greeting. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing. We can see the market is dropping below. Thank you. Welcome. DXY going down and XAUSD going down. Gold can do small pullback, but bearish. We need to reach 2550. It will drop. I hope. Yeah, we can see that downside here. Now you can see that this is where there is a bearish price action. And I was planning for that entry, but waiting for further confirmation. We see that from that level started to drop again. So the market trend is bearish. We are looking at 1 minute chart on XAUUSD, and I think that this market may continue to drop further. This is the 4 hour. You can see after this pullback, it's getting again another rejection potentially. But we will be patient as we just started. Better to observe the market for better entry opportunity. And then once we will find that, we will be looking for that entry. Isn't CPI occurring tomorrow? Yeah, CPI tomorrow. Let me see. Sometimes confusing. So today, Wednesday. Yeah, CPI tomorrow, not today. Time zone is sometimes very confusing. CPI tomorrow, because it's in my zone, it's 12:30 a.m. So basically, just for 30 minutes, showing another day. Okay, so today on Tuesday we saw Gbp, and tomorrow most of the. So today we won't see any other high impact news. We might see the low impact news, but along the way, even tomorrow CPI, we still can see some effect of that CPI today. Now it doesn't have to be that today, but we can see the market trend is active on. This is a very strongly downtrending market. Sometime before the high impact news, the market made its move more than after the news. Why? Because most of the instrument, when that trend, those who are real mover in the market, they do all their trading sometime well before the data come. Why? Because they can understand what's coming up in the market. I'll give you a couple of examples as well, but let's see what kind of preparation we can see for the CPI tomorrow. Today, what kind of movement we can expect in the market. So let's first draw this resistance here on say USD. So looking at 30 minutes and the 15 minutes chart, what you can see here from this level, there is a rejection, and with this doji, Okay. It's getting rejection here. So this is the previous swing high, and with that previous swing high, okay, well, this has a rejection here with this doji. This is the key. Now, if you have seen the analysis that I posted before the day before as well on gold, and you can see here is also from the 1 hour. This is a liquidity flow. Now in this total move, there is only one candle that you can see with the liquidity flow. This is where we saw that big move happen from that zone on XAUUSD. Now if you want to get access to that indicator, if you are our member, you can let us know. This indicator available for the members in the community. Now what is liquidity flow? This is basically the order flow in the market. Welcome. Thank you very much, Dollar Yen. Yep. Slovenia. Will do. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Now, what is liquidity flow? That's a good question. We had 2 trades yesterday from this zone. Both of them we secured that trade, one on the live session as well. You guys have seen that. Now, what is liquidity flow? Okay, so let's get to that point. Now, as you know that any education that you will find in this channel is unique, so make sure you take notes as well. And because this is the education that you'll not find anywhere. It's a learned, so therefore, you know, if you don't take notes, you might miss it and later you'll forget it. Better to take notes. So what is liquidity flow? This is a concept that I have explained in a couple of videos as well in the channel. So you know that when the market trend, the market move in a certain way, okay, creating series of lower high and lower low. Okay, it's a downtrend creating series of lower high and lower low, and this is a regular market structure, right? So this is a regular market structure. Now in that regular market structure, there's something happens sometime irregular, right? So which is all the time you'll see the market might do something unpredictable, and that's where the liquidity, that means that smart money started to trade the market, which where we will be looking to trade, because our goal here is to trade with smart money. Because as a retail trader, we can't move the market, but if we know that how the smart money is trading, that's where we can find advantage. And we have a also better advantage than smart money trader. Why? Because smart money need to predict the market before the candle has formed. Now retail trader have an advantage over it, that we can trade after this candle or candlestick pattern has formed. That's the advantage of being a retail trader. Are you guys following along with me? Let me know. Now, this is where, when you see, applied common sense is also good idea, though it's not a good idea when it comes to creativity. That's why Pablo Picasso once said that the greatest enemy of the creativity is the common sense. So you can apply that common sense on here. When we see that the regular structure is broken, that's where the flow comes in the market. And when you know how to go with the flow, you know that how to navigate in the direction. Everything has a flow, right? So we have a flow in the river, there is a flow in the wind as well. Also there is a flow in this universe as well, right? So we have a energy flow in the universe as well. So if you want to go with the flow, then only if you want to perform something extraordinary, you need to go with the flow, because the energy is limited. So if you know how to go with the flow, you can use little energy to gain huge, right? Imagine that there is a river. Okay, now river, so this is a river. I draw it like this. The flow of the river is in this direction, right? Now when the river flow in this direction, you are in this boat. So if you are in this boat, then which way you, if you have a free choice to row your boat either to the upside or downside, which way you'll be rowing your boat, right? It's a common sense. Everyone will know, even 5-year-old kid will do the same, row your boat towards the downstream, right? Because in that case, you just relax and the flow will take you in that direction. Now to answer this question, or one of you said that CPI gold will buy. I am Lana, don't follow me. Be confident, we can follow you. But the thing is that when we see the flow is down, then we need to look for selling opportunity. Okay, that's where the better trading opportunity comes in the market. Okay, this is what you need to look at when we are trading with the flow. Now with that in mind, if we look at this market, what we can see, okay, now you can see that this is a liquidity flow, and that's where the market has dropped in that direction, right? But definitely you use that indicator with proper lessons that is given with the indicator. If you are our member, then you can get access to that for that indicator. If you are not, also you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. You can find link below this video, or wait till the end to get access to exclusive group that we have along with all the strategies. I'll be announcing one lucky winner to join the academy completely for free. But if you want to also explore more, make sure also you join the free Telegram channel to stay connected for everything that we have in the academy. Now we can see that on XAUUSD currently you can see it's in a pullback. So in this market, any upside is an opportunity for selling. All right, so this is the key here that we need to look at. In this market, any upside is an opportunity for selling. All right, cool. Now you can see with this movement, the market again tested the high and trying to break below. I hope that you guys enjoying the live session, understanding how this works. And in addition to that, we also will be looking at other instruments as well in the market. Looking at euro dollar, XAUUSD again, looking at that. Okay, so you can see, let's first look at this one, as this market currently trying to break the swing high. Because it's in a downtrend, any break of the swing high can give us potential entry opportunity. Okay, so now I always change time frame. This, if this causes you guys to be a little bit of disruptive, then you can let us know or let me know in the live chat. I would look for always looking for the area of value, which is very important as a trader, because the most important part here is to find a zone where there is a high probability trade setup, which is the most important part to look at as a trader. And if you can find that zone where there is a high probability trade setup, that's where you will be able to find entry in the market. With the 1 minute, again, we can see that here is there is a triple top formation. If the market is managing to break this high here, we can look for sell stop in that area. Not at the moment, but we'll be waiting to see if it is going back up again. Then we can look for sell stop, because it's already has formed triple top. If it breaks that high, there will be huge liquidity trigger, and then we can look for a sell stop here to target some of this level in that direction. Let's say patiently wait for that to happen. We can see that gap open here as well. And intraday 4 hour, we see that rejection, and want to see this break of this high, then we can look for potential entry. Gold buy, gold buyer or sell? That's the $1,000,000 question. So it's always a good idea not to stay in fixed answer. Gold is in a downtrend, so it cannot be answered either buy or sell. We have to wait for the price action confirmation, then we can look for that entry. Dollar yen, have an option open position. So dollar yen, yeah, we'll be looking also Bitcoin analysis. Yeah, BTC USD also will be looking. This instrument was a very strong uptrend in a. Now we see a couple of sessions pullback. This is a currently a huge bull market at the moment, and we'll be looking to that as well. So before we go to that, let's because XAUUSD currently in a zone where we might find that entry. So we'll keep eye first on that, and then we will be looking to see other instruments as well. Hi coach, how are you? I'm here after a long time. Hope you are doing well. Sayed, I'm good, thank you. Euro USD, welcome back. So what about euro dollar and AUD CAD? Euro dollar. So if you look at euro dollar, we can see that euro dollar in a downtrend as well. So from the 1 hour, it's forming a potential liquidity candle here. So you can see that here there is a liquidity flow on euro dollar, and many pip here. So euro dollar, looking at, we can see a trend on euro dollar. So we see that it's breaking below, but after retesting this 17 level, we might see that bounce. Going back to XAUSD, we'll come back on euro dollar again to see what this one is doing here. On gold, big bearish candle here on gold, and with this big bearish candle, it's breaking below in that direction. And we can see that the price, both of this, sometimes timing is very important when we are trying to enter. We need to wait for the right timing. We might find some entry along the way, but for me, the best entry is always according to the timing, to see that, to have a better risk reward as well as the high probability before we look for any entry. So we'll be waiting for that to see that what might happening. Hope that you guys enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Keep eye on euro dollar and this one simultaneously. Euro AUD, welcome Shayan. Okay, now in this area we see the price on the support again from here, expecting one more bounce. I would be looking to sell from here if it crossed that high. We saw that it formed a lower high and then rejected, so which might lead that price back towards the downside again. There might be now another potential bounce. There's a 5 minutes bearish candle. Potentially, if we look at, okay, so euro dollar is trending in that direction, which we might see eventually coming back to the support. This is the 1 hour chart. If it managed to bounce, we will be selling this instrument once we find it. In the meantime, let's keep eye on, say, USD again for movement to the upside. Welcome, good day. Okay, here it's consolidating in that area. And with that consolidation, I'll be waiting a little more time here. We can find that opportunity. Okay, there's a structure in that area, and with that structure, expecting it to bounce and then to return back in the major direction. That's what we are expecting. I'm expecting here for the market to bounce and then to return back in the major direction. That's the main goal here. Patience is key in trading. For learning and growing as a trader, the most important part here is to be patient and then wait for the market to show its hand, and then we can look for that entry. Okay, so here is Euro USD. What we can see that lower time frame, the market managed to ultimately it's forming bearish pattern in that area, and very good amount of liquidity grab from that level. And with the liquidity grab, we might see that the market is coming down and then to create a new lower low. So if you look at a 1 hour chart, we can see that this is where the support, and from that support we can expect it to bounce back up to the resistance line, and then we can look for selling. We still have two minutes to go for this candle to close. For me to it didn't retest the order block somehow. I think that's why we might see further downside later. We can target few peep here. So there is a doji formation, and that's a massive liquidity grab with this doji. So it might break below this level here for entry. Like to see that it has broken above and then drop down. It's a very weird price action here at the moment. And okay, what's happening with the XAUUSD? Suddenly there is a breakout. that might lead some upside here. Let's see, we might see a retest on the daily. Let's look at that here. We see sudden bounce on gold that might lead the price back to the resistance line. Means that move here. 1 minute. There is a liquidity flow here. Yeah. So there is a bounce, and that bounce now need to look at where it is heading. It's going back to the daily resistance, or there is a daily resistance here. Okay, the market has come down well below the weekly low, below the monthly low. There is a potential for probability for deeper bounce. We'll see now what's happening. Based on that, we can look for entry if we see that significant bounce. Let's see that how the market structure is forming on the 1 minute chart. Okay, here is the move. So we can find one level here, which is the previous swing high, swing low, and manage to break out. Okay, it might now, if it breaks below, we could see that short term upside here on XAUUSD. Now we'll be waiting for a pullback. how the market is evolving is important to look at. If gold hits 2949 before CPI news, then it will be buy, but if not, then it's gonna be sell. Well, that's what we see, that if gold hit CPI 2949. Okay, so good question. It's breaking. Yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Welcome. Thank you very much. And what we can see, here, if we look at, we can see there is an unusual breakout here, and with that unusual breakout, that's where we might see that the market is coming. If we see that significant pullback here, that's where we can look for potential entry. Andrew, welcome. Thank you for everyone. And also, the 4 hour here, support, and now this question is that if this market is reversing, that's gonna be bounce. Okay, this is the daily resistance. And okay, here what I will be doing will be putting a buy stop above this high, keeping stop loss to around 56 pip. And if the market managed to break out, that means that we might see an uptrend, and in that case we will be targeting 221 for this, or with that. This is not a market order, keep in mind guys, it's a pending order, so it's a buy stop. If the market managed to break out, then we will be entering that trade. So it's a buy stop at 2605.46, stop loss at 2599.99, TP target at 2616.73. Pending order on XAU USD. So I place the buy stop as explained, and it's a long pending order. Now, if only the market managed to break out, then we will be entering the trade. Otherwise, it might even come back here and then could bounce if it wants to reverse. We'll see what happened. So it's a pending order. Okay, we might see bounce potentially. Let's see what happened. We place the buy stop to see if it is bouncing. Okay, there is a potentially some kind of bullish price action is being formed. the structure is being formed is potentially bullish. Okay. It's on a sideway at the moment in this area. Our buy stop is here, waiting for potential trigger. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, there's a gap open. I think we might see potentially a bounce here. It might take the price back to the daily resistance line. We'll see where it is heading, if it is. The upper price section forming, we could see that at the end there will be a giveaway, so make sure you stick till the end. Ask why buy in downtrending market. Well, we are still not buying. We see that there is a break of structure. Now if it is a reversal, if this swing high is broken, then we will be placing. It's not a market order, it's a buy stop. With the fact that this market is currently overextended to the downside, and if it reverse, then our TP target is at the daily resistance line, before the daily resistance. So that if it bounce from here, then we might see a complete breakout to the daily resistances. This is the previous support here, which is turning resistance here, and that's the main reason we place that buy stop. But if it drops down from here, then we might see the trend continuation and we are not on the trade. I hope that makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't make sense, let me know. We can discuss more to understand clearly. Asking question is key. I really appreciate for those who ask question, because when you ask question, you actually become more and more curious, and that's where good trader is. A better trader is the one who have a high level of intellectual curiosity. We can see that slowly trying to build up the pressure. Now if it breaks this swing high, then we will trigger the trade, and in that case expecting it to go back to the daily resistance, guys. Are you with me? So it's not a market order, it's a pending order, buy stop. We place that here for I think if it breaks this swing high, there is a probability for potential upside here. If you're enjoying the live session, make sure you let me know in the live chat, give a feedback, and always in Let's Kill the Market, sir. Welcome. Welcome, thank you. Awesome, very good. And yeah, let's see now a little bit of slower movement, and that if the market managed to break out, where we could see that potential bigger movement in the market. Okay, looks like that it's getting some liquidity from here, so that might lead that price potentially back to the upside. Yeah, we have placed that pending order here. Okay, so if it bounces, then it will be on the trade. Price action looks to me bullish. Yet we will be waiting to see. Full confirmation. So if it breaks the swing high, we are on the trade, and then we'll keep waiting for further upside. So we are waiting here for that entry. Slowly looks like that it's trying to build up that pressure to the upside. Place the pending order. And in the meantime, guys, if you enjoyed the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Join the free Telegram channel link as well. You can find in the description. Now, is it respecting this support here? Crucial level to look at. We are not still on the trade. We need to see that it gain enough momentum. Then only we will be into the trade. So our price action forming, we have seen another two dodges here. We can see that if we look at euro dollar, it managed to break below from the 1 hour. Yeah, from that level it broken below euro dollar. And you know, we are focusing on this one here at the moment. Let's keep eye. So it has broken that support again. So if it is not breaking this swing high, then we might see that drop down. So this is a support here, and from that support managed to trying to break to the upside. Building up a pressure here. Okay, so we are nearing our entry point. I think we might see that still not entered, still not triggered. Okay, waiting for the market to show its hand. Trying to get the entry. We are nearing to our entry, and I think we might get triggered with this trade. Yep, I'm on the trade. Let me know, guys, if you are on the trade too. We are active on the trade, and I think we might see now some potential upside. We have seen multiple liquidity grab has given a momentum in the market. Okay, holding it and expecting it to remain upside to see what happened. We are on a trade on XAUSD 1 minute chart. Okay. Now, this is where we see some um, pullback, and now we are on the track again. Okay. So you see there is an inverted head and shoulder formation here. Structure formation, breakdown, liquidity gap. I'm expecting it to bounce. Now the market might not listen, but this is the expectation. The actuality might be different. So that's why risk management is key when you are opening position. $15 minutes, yeah. Yep, 15 minutes showing liquidity flow, but it's still not closed that candle. See again, break below. So the market does more often, just can't move it properly. Now it might be another liquidity grab, and you can see that it's breaking below and bouncing back up, which is good to see. That the price, now if it is a head and shoulder, then boom, could see reversal depending on really. Let's see what kind of price action is forming. I think I'm still biased to the upside. As we are on the trade, we will keep it on. not being able to. Why does it fail now? It failed to create a higher high, so under that situation, see now what's happening. Now this is another liquidity grab here. If it is bullish, then we should be able to see return or I think it made a false breakout from the 30 minutes. If we look at now it formed a doji on the 15 minutes, which is a very narrow doji, and let's see, the way it was moving, it loses that momentum. Therefore, if it is going up again to our entry, we need to look at again, review the trade, how we will be managing that. Either we will be closing near entry, or we'll be holding it to see. First of all, this is the 1 hour candle. From the 1 hour, we'll see I'm still holding it. It's going near our entry again. So if it managed to break out from this resistance line, then we can hold it as it is approaching the entry. So with that being said, okay, bouncing up to our entry, and I'll keep an open mind to see what's happening, because if we see that less probability to trend, we might be able to open take close trade at entry or with little running profit. But we see still showing bullish momentum. And okay, so cross the entry, we are in profit now, and let's see how the price is reacting here in that area. Okay, we are seeing that upside. Okay, I'm going to exit this trade at the moment. I'm out because it became little risk now. I'm out at running profit. I'm out with the trade either at depending on, because this trade now, there are two probable scenario. One is to continue, or it could drop back again, and because it didn't move in the same way that expected, it became less probable trade. So I am out with little profit, which basically probably helping me to cover the commission. So yeah, that's we can re-enter anytime once we find that. At the moment, it may continue to rise or it may drop back down. So I'm out with the trade, which we have little gain, but I would consider it as a break even. You see, the bulls are not getting enough strength as it should be, and tomorrow CPI definitely will have a great impact in the market. That's where you can look for best trade possible with the CPI. At the moment, we can see the market is here is a little choppy. So with that choppy, we will let it play out again to give us further entry opportunity. So looking at some other instrument, we can see that euro dollar is trending. Yeah. So here this is a from the, if we look at this is the 1 minute chart. This is a now currently a choppy. Okay, so the market is choppy. Let's see that what's happening with the euro dollar. And if we look at the euro dollar, we can see that euro dollar, it's in a strongly in a downtrend. If we look at daily chart on euro dollar, you can see this is the daily chart. 4 hour bearish, 1 hour also. This is also currently in a situation. Daily chart on euro dollar, this is a pretty strong market on euro dollar from the 4 hour perspective, bearish. And from the 1 hour, we can see that on euro dollar, dodgy formation, and 15 minutes. I think we might see a break of structure on euro dollar, and with that break of structure, yeah, we can expect for the market to trend in that. Looking at again XAUSD, which is basically trying to form a structure which is not very impressively bullish at the moment. Couple of pairs that I will be looking at the moment, just quickly to see what's the situation in the market. NZD USD, USD SGD, GBP CAD, Euro GBP, GBP CHF, Euro CAD. Dollar Swiss franc was in a bull move from here, and it moved. In fact, pound US dollar, Aussie dollar, Euro dollar. Euro dollar trend is very nice. XAUSD. If this market really getting volatile gold, we might see even potentially change of trend. That's what we aimed for. I'll still be waiting to see what's happening. Patience is key. It's always a good idea is to keep control on the trading account, which is the key. So there's giveaway at the end, along with the trading opportunity. If we find again, we will be entering. Patience is key. Anytime opportunity can come or may not come. So always leaving it on the probability is the best idea to become a good trader. Welcome. Aggressively, I'm waiting to see how the New York session reach here. Okay, so it's forming a unpredictable structure, that I would say. So you'll be waiting to see what's the situation here, while we see that on British pound US dollar and AUD euro dollar also trending here. So looking at in this zone here on, okay, so yeah, let's wait for the market to break out. Okay, we'll see that. This is a kind of forming a fragile structure in that area. And if you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up. You see that the market, the way it is forming the structure, this is 1 minute, and to look at, it's choppy, really choppy. 30 minutes price action. It might now come for a deeper pullback, because this is a previous liquidity zone. Above this doji here is a high liquidity zone, and we might see that from that level to return back to the upside to see what's happening. And with that respect, look at the 15 minutes. Euro USD, Gbpusd, euro dollar. Okay, so still showing a bullish pattern, but at the same time not getting a stronger momentum. That's where our that confusion was, that the market is not showing that stronger momentum. When you see that that trend that we discussed in our previous VIP Zoom class as well, we need to look for a market that is strong trend. For example, here it was in a strong trend, and then the market became slower, because the market, as a rule of thumb, trend only 30% of the time. 70% of the time it's choppy. I would say that even not 30% of the time, the market trend only, in my opinion, is only 20% of the time. The strong trend only around 20% to 15% of the time. The rest of the time, it's always, most of the time, you'll see that weaker trend or choppy market. So that's why sometimes it's very hard to find the proper opportunity, and that's why the first the first thing that a trader need to develop is patience. Okay, so when you have patience, you can wait for the better trading opportunity to come. We're getting rejection here. Ultimately, it's breaking out of that level. Finally. Probably have changed the trend for short term, at least from the daily. If we look at, it's approaching the daily resistance line. Yeah, there is a probability for short term change in trend. Okay, so gold is gold. Yeah, we were on a buy. We closed it. So we are on a buy, closed it, but the market, in fact, moving in that. It was here pretty much choppy, but ultimately it managed to break out. So we might see now continuation. So if we see along the way very good price action, we can re-enter. Looking at euro dollar GBP JPY, not in a very good place. Also not in a very good place. So XAUSD only, that is one showing better opportunity here. Okay, so what we will be waiting here is for the market to come down, grab liquidity, and then to bounce back up. Okay, so we are on to our mark. For the limitation, we will not be able to run further, but I will be going to the giveaway, but still be trading on the academy. So if you want to enter into the competition right now, get ready for the giveaway. So the giveaway, the keyword for the giveaway that we use, what keyword we can use for giveaway today? We can use the giveaway, give, GIVEAWAY. You can write that keyword giveaway to enter into the competition. We will be running the music, and until the end of the music it will keep running, and once the end of the music we will be rolling it up. One of lucky winner will be able to get access to the academy full free. Let's do it. So you can write keyword giveaway, GIVE, give. So the keyword I can write on the live chat, you can copy that. So the keyword is giveaway. So that's the keyword. You can write it on the live chat and you will be eligible for entering into the competition. Found 4 lucky members in the competition, 6 eligible members in the competition. Ten lucky members, eligible members in the competition. $11 eligible members in the competition. $12 eligible members in the competition. $13 eligible members. $16 eligible members in the competition. So you can write that keyword giveaway. Still on. So you can still write giveaway in the live chat. $18 eligible members in the competition. You can write one word giveaway. So 19 eligible members in the competition. $20 eligible members. So 20 eligible members currently on the giveaway. So we'll be rolling it out very soon. You still have time to enter into the competition. Awesome. Going to roll it right now. Just insane. Welcome. Congratulations for being one lucky winner in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So to claim your giveaway, visit the website. You can find link below this video, www.forextradingwizard.com, and then you can use the contact us page to let us know that you are the winner. It will be sent out to your email. So this is the website. You can find link below this video. Visit the website, use the contact us page to let us know that you are the winner. You will be sent out your package. So with that said, thank you very much for joining this live session. We'll be coming on live again tomorrow. Until that, stay well, stay happy, and stay safe. Also trade with proper risk management. Thank you.